What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we just doing a straight DIY. We are cleaning a washing machine. And if you come across an issue where you can't get this cap off, I actually looked up a YouTube video and I want to show y'all what I seen. So I'm gonna put this back in like so. All right, now pretty much I use this pry tool right here. We actually use everything that we could possibly use before we break this thing. And the video that I seen, we also use rubber hammers. We was doing everything. But the video I seen, he used a spatula, but we have this pry bar. So you want to go down here. You want to pry it up. Well, not pry it. Well, you want to pry it up to try to loosen this, but you stick your shoestring in there. You stick it in, you stick it in. Once you got your shoestring in, you put it from one corner to another, and you will need force with this. This requires a lot of force. So what you want to do is just keep wiggling, wiggling, wiggling. Make sure you wear gloves, because I use gloves. Wiggle. See, even mine's still hard. I just put it in. So what you want to do is just keep going. It's going to take a while, and then it'll pop up. And that is due to all the gunk. And look at this. All this is rusted, corroded, all that mold. This is your washing machine, guys. All right, I'm going to take off some more of it. Right here, look down. Right here we have screws. Right there, oh, that's disgusting. I don't know why I touched that, but right here we have screws. We're gonna take it off. Using good old Clorox. Oops. All right, you guys, so I want to take this part off right here. It's like a lock piece. It's kind of gunky. So what you do is just push it off and it comes off straight like that. It got the part where it goes back on. So if you need to know where it goes back on, it shows you. I don't know why I touched that again. That's disgusting. But you just squeeze it and push until it locks. But right now we're going to take this off, and then we want to take the rest of the stuff off after we clean this.
I don't know what all this is around it. That's disgusting. Look.
It's probably hair. All right, you guys, so we cleaned it off a little bit. Now the clamp that was covering the top of this, we're going to take this last screw off, and then hopefully this thing will pop off. Okay, you guys, so I took the hub out, and our hub still has teeth. If your center part keeps turning around in a circle, then your teeth on your hubs are stripped. But these teeth looks pretty good. And then here, my wife already cleaned it, but it was a bunch of gunk right there too also. So what we're gonna do is just clean it the best we can. We're gonna bleach this thing out, and we're gonna put the washer in a wash cycle or a clean cycle, and then we're gonna call it a day. So that's it with that. Like, comment, and subscribe. Other way.
Other way?
Sorry. YouTube. Instagram. Oh, no, you can do it regular way. You recording me.
Really?
Oh, both. Other way. Sideways. Horizontal.
Oh, no.